on a combination from public and private keys. So the public key is not a secret, it exists on the server, and the private key is something you always carry with you, and can be used to recreate the public key that can then be compared. 81% of all hacking-related breaches leverage stolen or weak passwords, so that is really something. It's not that safe, and although it can be enforced by using 2FA, but a lot of users consider that as being much work. Although using a password manager will definitely make that easier. So, how do passkeys work? Basically, the user is saying, I want to create a new account. The server says, sure, send me a public key. Well, all right. The client is creating a new key pair and will present the public key to the server, and the server will store that, so it can be used the next time. And then authenticating is basically kind of the same process. The private key, which is stored on the user side, is used to create a new public key, and it will be the signature will be passed to the server. It's being verified, and well, if that's all correct, you're signed in. So I was thinking, is it possible to do this in Servoy with all the NG capabilities? It should be possible. So that's what I start working on. So basically, we have the server. Then we're using a Servoy service package to handle all the browser stuff. That will be. Does it work? Yeah. That will be to do the actual stuff in the browser. Yeah. That will connect with a biometric device such as your phone or whatever. It can be on the browser as well, or on the on your laptop as well. And then all that information is sent back the other way around. A small demo. Oops, all this. So this is just a small NG application. I can click the create button to register to create a passkey. The browser will prompt me here. I say I want to use my phone for that. So in this case, I can use just the camera to scan it. It's not, you can't really see that, but it says save passkey. I can click the button. It will connect to my laptop over Bluetooth. And now it says, do you want to use your Face ID to sign in for the account marc@solutiontive.nl? And I say, yeah, I want to do that. It says okay, and that is all handled now. So now the private key is stored on my phone. It's being synced over iCloud with Apple. So it's also available it's also available on my laptop if I want to. So next time, if I want to log in, I go the other way around. So I want to authenticate, click the button again. So this is a similar code. Now it's only used to sign in. It also says sign in with a passkey. So now it's finding the passkey for this website with a specific ID. Again, I get the question, do you want to log in with Face ID? Say okay, and it's all done. So this is only part of the process. I can quickly show you a little bit of what I've done code-wise. What was that? So the calls are pretty easy. I've made a little Passkeys plugin, that is the Servoy service. What I need there is a callback function. I pass it a challenge, which is just a UUID. It has some things that I have to pass in the part of the domain name with a description. Then there is a user ID, which can be important because that is given back when you are authenticating. That's called the user handle. And then there is the email address and description. So that is going into the plugin, which is still an NG, the NG code for this. So this is basically just drawn some code from that you can find on the internet with some extension. And down here, the result is given back with a callback, as you've seen over here with the callback function. And the authentication is a bit the other way around. So the callback function will get credential ID. This is the one that is stored. Basically, that's a unique identifier that the server only knows. This is going to be in combination with the domain. This is the ID that I want from you. This is how far the plugin is right now. So that's also why it's a lightning talk. It's not finished yet. Where was I? Over here. So it's work in progress. I have no roadmap, neither timeline. I'm open to collaboration if people find this interesting and think, well, looking for that, and this can be a start. And in the meantime, if you want to know more, this is a great website that explains in quite some detail already what is going on. There's a lot of information, a lot of links to other websites. It is pretty complex, but I think in the end it should be doable. So thank you for your attention, and to Steve.